Hey, Mommy.
He's too busy with his Lego. Bo, can you spin?
I think Bo's tired.
He's too tired. Well, he was just doing it. There he goes. There he goes. Okay, Braid, you do it. Your turn. Okay. Okay, Bo, you go. Spin. Spin. Okay, Braid, you go again. Careful with your legs. Bo, can you spin? You spin. Bo says I'm way too busy with my Lego. Oh, is he going?
I caught your Lego.
That's very good sharing, Braid.
Can Bo and I share his Lego?
Where's that other red one plus the wheels? Get that. That's even cooler than that blue piece. Go, Bo, go. Yeah, go, go, go.
We can do a different one, Bo. No, we can do a different one.
Okay, get him a different toy. Bo, say go, go, go.
Can Bo have one of these?
Hey.
Mama, I gave Bo the Lego.
That's very great sharing, Braid. Good job. Very good. There he goes.